Hey Luxefluent family, ready to take your tech startup to the next level? In today's video, we're diving into powerful growth hacks that can transform your business. No fluff, just results. Be sure to subscribe for more expert advice, and a quick reminder, this video is for informational purposes only. Please do your due diligence before acting on any of the content shared. The power of referral marketing. Referral marketing leverages the trust between existing customers and their networks to drive growth. By incentivizing users to recommend your product or service, you tap into a powerful channel that often yields higher conversion rates and customer loyalty. Reward both the referrer and the referee to create a win-win situation. Build referral functionality directly into your product. Tools like Referral Candy or Yopo can help you automate this process. Real-world examples. Dropbox. By offering extra storage space for each successful referral, Dropbox incentivized users to invite friends, leading to a 60% increase in their user base within 15 months. PayPal. PayPal's referral program offered cash incentives to users who referred new customers, effectively turning early adopters into brand evangelists. Airbnb. Airbnb's referral program allows users to invite friends to join the platform, offering both the referrer and the referee travel credits. This strategy significantly contributed to Airbnb's rapid growth. Implementing a referral program can be a game changer for tech startups. By integrating referral functionality into your product and offering incentives that benefit both parties, you can harness the power of word-of-mouth marketing to accelerate your growth. Growth through community building. Building a strong community around your product is a powerful growth strategy for tech startups. By fostering genuine connections and providing real value, you can create a loyal user base that actively contributes to your product's evolution. Authentic community engagement fosters loyalty and drives growth. Create a community-focused space on platforms like Discord or LinkedIn. Offer value through Q&A sessions, behind-the-scenes looks, and beta testing opportunities. Real-world examples. Slack. Early in its development, Slack engaged with developers on platforms like Hacker News and Reddit. Instead of focusing solely on selling their product, they addressed the problem of inefficient communication, resonating with users' needs. This approach built a community of loyal users who felt connected to the product's mission. Airbnb. Airbnb's founders recognized the importance of community and built a platform that encouraged hosts and guests to share experiences. This sense of belonging and trust among users was instrumental in Airbnb's rapid growth. GitHub. By creating a space for developers to collaborate and share code, GitHub built a thriving community that contributed to its success. The platform's focus on user engagement and value creation fostered a loyal user base. In contrast, platforms like Google+ struggle to build authentic communities. Despite initial hype, the lack of genuine user engagement led to its decline. This highlights the importance of authentic community building over flashy marketing. Viral product features. In the competitive world of tech startups, creating product features that naturally encourage sharing can significantly boost your growth. When users find elements of your product shareable and engaging, they become your most effective marketers. Key question: what makes your product inherently shareable? Use the hook model. Design features that trigger emotions, encourage actions, and reward users for coming back. Tools like Amplitude can analyze what features keep users engaged. Real-world examples. Instagram. Instagram's filters were more than just photo enhancements. They were shareable features that users loved. These filters made photos more appealing and encouraged users to share them across social media platforms, driving Instagram's rapid growth. Zoom. During the pandemic, Zoom offered its basic features for free, making it easy for users to host and join meetings. This accessibility led to a massive increase in users, from 10 million in 2019 to over 200 million in 2020. Leveraging partnerships. Strategic partnerships can be a game changer for tech startups, offering access to new markets, resources, and expertise. By collaborating with established companies or complementary startups, you can accelerate growth and enhance your product's value. Strategic partnerships can amplify growth by providing access to new markets, resources, and expertise. Identify complementary services in your industry and propose win-win collaborations. Offer APIs to make integration seamless. Real-world examples. Spotify and Uber. Spotify partnered with Uber to allow riders to control the music during their trips. This collaboration enhanced the user experience for both platforms, making each ride more personalized and enjoyable. Waze and local governments. Waze collaborated with local governments to integrate traffic data, making it indispensable for users. This partnership improved traffic management and provided real-time updates to drivers, enhancing the app's value. In contrast, startups that operate in silos often struggle to achieve the same level of reach and relevance. Without strategic partnerships, they may miss opportunities to expand their user base and enhance their offerings. By identifying complementary services and proposing mutually beneficial collaborations, you can leverage partnerships to drive growth and innovation. Offering APIs can facilitate seamless integrations, making it easier for partners to collaborate with your platform. SEO and Content Marketing Mastery. Mastering SEO and content marketing is essential for tech startups, aiming to build trust and attract a dedicated audience. By creating valuable content that addresses your audience's needs, you can establish your brand as a trusted authority in your field. Great content builds trust and attracts a dedicated audience. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to identify high traffic, low competition words. Then create evergreen content that solves your audience's problems. Real-world examples. HubSpot. HubSpot leveraged its blog to attract millions of visitors, educating audiences on topics that align with its software offerings. This strategy not only provided value to readers, but also positioned HubSpot as a thought leader in the marketing industry. Notion. Notion uses tutorial videos to both teach and market. These videos demonstrate the platform's versatility and functionality, helping users understand how to maximize its features while subtly promoting the product. In contrast, startups that neglect discoverability and content strategy often struggle to gain traction. A lack of strategic content planning can lead to missed opportunities and hinder growth. By focusing on creating valuable, SEO-optimized content, you can attract and engage your target audience, driving sustainable growth for your startup. Data-driven experimentation. Data-driven experimentation is a cornerstone of growth for tech startups. By systematically testing and analyzing different aspects of your product or marketing strategies, you can make informed decisions that drive improvement and innovation. Continuous experimentation, guided by data, leads to informed decisions and sustained growth. Implement experimentation frameworks using tools like Optimizely or Google Optimize. Begin with hypotheses linked to your growth metrics and test them rigorously. Real-world examples. Facebook. Facebook's growth team conducted thousands of A/B tests to optimize everything from notifications to the newsfeed algorithm. This relentless focus on data-driven experimentation allowed Facebook to refine its features and enhance user engagement continuously. BlackBerry. In contrast, BlackBerry's stagnant approach to innovation and failure to adapt to changing market demands contributed to its decline. The company's reluctance to embrace new technologies and user preferences led to a loss of market share to more adaptable competitors. By adopting a culture of data-driven experimentation, tech startups can identify what resonates with their audience, optimize their offerings, and stay ahead in a competitive market. Paid ads and retargeting. Paid advertising and retargeting are powerful tools for scaling tech startups. Platforms like Facebook offer precise targeting options, enabling you to reach potential customers effectively. However, not every visitor converts on their first visit. In fact, 98% of first-time website visitors don't convert. This is where retargeting becomes invaluable. By displaying well-placed ads to these visitors as they browse other sites, you can bring them back and increase conversion rates. View paid ads as an investment, not a gamble. Strategic use of paid advertising and retargeting can significantly boost your startup's growth. Allocate 20% of your ad budget to retargeting campaigns. Utilize platforms like AdRoll or Criteo to optimize these efforts. Real-world examples. Facebook's targeting. Facebook's precise targeting options make it a go-to platform for customer acquisition. By leveraging user data, businesses can create highly targeted ads that resonate with their ideal audience. Startups that effectively implement retargeting strategies see higher conversion rates. By reminding potential customers of their products or services, businesses can encourage return visits and increase sales. That's all for now, folks. Which of these growth hacks resonated with you the most? Drop a comment and let us know. Make sure to subscribe to Luxefluent for more tips. And remember, get fluent, stay fluent. Want more content? Click the button in the upper right corner to explore more of our videos. Catch you in the next one. And remember, get fluent, stay fluent.